to this disappearance and kidnapping and on using other people, just like what happened to Jamal Khashoggi. He was promised action.
And frankly, the fact that it's a reporter, you could say in many respects it brings it to a level. It's a very serious situation for us and for this White House. We do not like seeing what's going on. Now, as you know, they're saying we had nothing to do with it. But so far, everyone's saying they had nothing to do with it. And it's inside of Turkey. Well, I have to find out who did it. But people saw him go in, but they didn't see him come out, as they understand it. And we're going to take a very serious look at it. It's a terrible thing.